Today we are at 201 Roberts Road in Subiaco. You know, I just love this suburb. There's, well, first of all, because when I first got married and moved to Australia, this is the very first suburb where my wife and I had a property. So definitely have a bit of a heart for Subi. But this particular property has some very special features. It's on a generous 404 square meter block. It is a character home, 4 bedrooms, built in 1908. It's just got so much of that Subiaco vibe with some extra special benefits that I can't wait to show you in this video. Let's start back at the front of the property. I am absolutely certain you are going to discover the home that you will love here in the heart of Subiaco. Here on Roberts Road, surprisingly, there is plenty of parking, and I do have a parking surprise, but you'll have to wait till the end of the video. Here in the center of Subiaco, you're going to find the ability to walk minutes to the best cafes and shops around. You're going to be able to walk to the Subi train station. You can walk to the West Leaderville train station. You don't even need a car. You can get to the center of Perth in minutes. Also, we're very close to what was the Princess Margaret Hospital Zone, which is now the Subi East development site. And so that's just going to be another benefit for the next owner of this gorgeous property. So here, located behind this gorgeous fence, you do have both a front and a backyard at the property. And I love the trees here, just adds such a beautiful aspect to the property. And the home, built in 1908, as I mentioned, still has some of the original features that are so beautiful. You've got gorgeous tuck pointing, some of the original window framing, but we've also had some modern conveniences added into the property. Let's go inside, and one of the first things you'll recognize is the original Jarrah flooring, which is so beautiful and fun to walk on. And once you come in, we're going to start in the first bedroom here. You'll notice an original fireplace, beautiful cornicing around the ceilings, beautiful ceiling roses, and then the modern conveniences of having a reverse cycle AC unit as well as brand new LED downlights. And here when we come into the second bedroom, again, you're going to see an original fireplace. And noting that this property is located north to south, you're going to get some gorgeous light through the day in these front rooms. Again, a reverse cycle AC unit for comfort. Into the third bedroom, again, noting the high 3.4 meter high ceilings. And you'll notice, as you find in a lot of these character homes built in the early 1900s, gorgeous archways throughout the property. Also high ceilings again in the hallway with the cornicing. We're going to have a look at the first bathroom here with shower. There is a second we'll look at later in the video. And this room here on the east side is the largest of the bedrooms. You do have an original fireplace and mantle with, I love that color of that green tiling. Also the convenience of a reverse cycle AC unit in this room as well. The 3.4 meter high ceilings, ceiling rows with brand new down LED lights. Now, in this section of the house, there was at some point an extension put on that I think is really fantastic. So when you come through, you'll first notice the kitchen, the wraparound kitchen that opens up over here to this large living and dining area with fantastic exposed brick. I mean, it's just got such a vibe in this room, and it's really, really fantastic. With this big double French door that opens up, it's going to let in a lot of that west-facing light through the day as well. And we'll head through around to that side. But when you come back to the south side with these double French doors that you'll probably in the summer just leave open all of the time because you've got these double scrim-safe fly screens that opens up onto this covered veranda where you could set up a table for, as you can see here, for 6, but even a larger if you wanted to do an 8 or 12 person table as well. You do have access all the way from the front of the property to the back down this very tidy alleyway. And then over here, you have your laundry room with a second toilet and shower, and then this very unique covered exposed brick courtyard. Now, what I'm really excited to show you is what makes this property very unique is not only this great backyard, lovely grass with a cute picket fence, if you've got kids or dogs, keeps everyone in and secure. There's actually an easement benefit on the property so that you have access into this rear area off of May Avenue. It will give you access for 2 or more parking bays with this large shed. And this is lockup, so it can be made secure. We'll come down here, so you have access all the way off from Roberts Road right over here, come around through this easement benefit onto the back of your property. So you've got secure parking here in the center of Subiaco. You could hardly ask for a more useful benefit in this part of the city. I hope you loved viewing this video as much as I love showing this property, because there is just something special here at 201 Roberts Road in Subiaco. If you have any questions or would like a viewing, please get in touch with me as soon as possible. My name is Thomas Jefferson Wedge from Ray White Dalkeith, Claremont, and it would be a pleasure to serve you.